here with Sunny Brew and Maggie Whitmer. Whoa. And me. Hello, we're at Disneyland. All right, real quick. We just got a brand new ride coming in hot at Mickey's Toon Town. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway just opened up recently, and I got to ride it earlier today with the gang, which was nice. But they just reopened again after being closed for a second, and we figured let's take the team on the ride really quick as it just opened up. It'd be nice to document the ride, all that good stuff. And we'll give it a quick little go. So we're starting a little early because the line should not be too bad. So hopefully we can look at the queue together as a squad and all that good stuff. Recently, Toon Town was redone massively, as you can tell by lots of new stuff. New hills, new park stuff, new benches, new things. But either way, strap in. It's time for the Mickey's Runaway Railway. It's just opened recently, and let's get it, dudes. I'm excited. Park's been great today. Shout out to the gang. Let's get this, dude. Boulahan, yes, we're making moves. We got good things coming in hot. All right, team, without further ado, Runaway Railway at the El Capitan Theater. It says 20-minute wait. We'll see. Hopefully it's not too crazy. Look at this. Fun. Okay, here we go. This queue is really solid, too. Really solid. Yay. Thank you. Big fan. We just got it. Just got some new ones. Oh, I know. I agree. We got to get the hat now. But look at this stuff, dude. This queue is amazing. High School Goofsicle. So good. So, yeah. Basically, this queue is a little bit of a Mickey Mouse museum in a sense, going through the years of Mickey through the years, if you will. And yeah, this is not my first time going on it. We went it for the first time this morning, and now we're ending our night here, going on it a little bit again. But there's a whole bunch of like fun little things in the queue. History of Toon Towns, hometown theater. We got the first ever hot dog ever made here. Good stuff, dude. Let's check it out. This is sick, dude. But yeah, we got a whole bunch of historic things. Hopefully the service works as we ride this ride, but we're gonna give it a test. We got the wheel, the Steamboat Mickey wheel. Pretty nuts. How many times do we do It's a Small World? Not yet. We still have to do our marathon over and over, back-to-back loop after this. Sorcerer Mickey, looking nice. You got his throne. You got a nice little mirror here. Hello. I want to see it. There's a little ghost that lives in there. He's cute. He's also shy though, so I don't blame him. We got Mickey's birthday costume, which is sweet. You gotta have Mickey's birthday costume, a little cake. Mickey's birthday party. Mickey and the Beanstalk. Fun and fancy free, a fever dream, a delightful one. You got all your classics. Pluto's Christmas tree. We've got it all, dudes. We're just walking right through. This is tight. Dude, stand a little bit. Alright, we're officially jumping on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
This hero be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Let's do this, dude. They broke the screen. Goofy broke the freaking ride.
We're breaking the fourth wall.
We're literally breaking the fourth wall. This is very, very exciting. Welcome to the railway. Wow. Wow. Fun, 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 fun. Do 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 do.
I like the song.
I love the song. The song is extremely catchy. Extremely catchy.
We look like losers.
I like that we're matching. We do look like losers. Do we look like losers? Do we look like really stupid losers? Do we look like stupid losers?
Yeah. Hey, chat. Do we look like stupid losers?
I feel like the answer is yes. Oh, train's here. Now it's time for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway 2023. This is so exciting. Yay! After you. Thank you, thank you. Nothing can stop us now.
I can't.
Ooh, we have this big train. Yes, please. Please. Shout out to my tattoo, yeah. Push, push. Thank you. Yay. Pay attention.
Pay attention, child.
For your safety. Here we go. Train time. Hug. We're glowing. Wow. Ba la 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 la. Wee. All right, train ride.
Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Yes.
Welcome
Hi.
aboard, folks. Ready for a relaxing ride around the park?
Yes.
Hey, making me up. You sure you can take care of our friend? What? There was wait. What could possibly go wrong?
Car accident. Big accident. Oh, big accident. Oh, here we go. Picking it up. Oh, we just lost the train. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. We're getting tossed. We're getting tossed. Whoa! Cute. They're all out of balloons. Get. Oh, we're in a tornado. There's a tornado. Tornado. Whoa! Tornado. Ah! Oh God! Oh! Woo! Whoa, safety. It's beautiful here. So good to be here.
We made it! Nothing but trouble now!
Ah!
We have to stop!
Ah!
That was so much crazier being in the front for that.
Oh, yes. Oh, I love this part. Time for dancing. Dancing time.
So nice to see you.
I love the dancing. Any dancers? Dance in the chat.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's...
Party time. Hi. That was a close one. That was really close. That was really close. Goofy's back. Wow. Wow, we were in the front and now we're in the third car. How crazy is that? Also, look at the lines on this wall and the lines on our jacket. This just like looks sweet.
See what happens. If you don't have any other
Looks really
plans,
nice.
Well, hey, big niggers. Told you nothing was gonna
The
go
gang.
wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.
So cute.
Now, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent.
Yay! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, now we just enjoy our beautiful time
At the park.
at the barn. That ride is so good. I also love this like quick quiet moment where it's just very quiet. They let you soak in the quietness for a little. And then they play a little fireworks for you once you get bored of that.
Well, they're there.
See? You soak in the quiet though for a second, even though I talked through the whole thing.
Gosh, what's this lever do?
Blah.
Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings.
Yay!
By the hand and
Yay!
the jacks and the train.
Yay!
Okay.
Yay! Woohoo! We're free! Good ride, good ride, good ride. Good ride. Thank you, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Beautiful ride, beautiful ride.